Sam Wilcoxon. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Lorem Technologies. How many of you guys have heard of Squarespace, Wix, Weebly, or Shopify? All right, most of the room. And that's because these do-it-yourself website builders are really taking off right now. But I'm here to tell you a dirty little secret that they don't want any of you to know. And that's that they have a really bad problem with churn. For example, Wix's marketing team says they have 100 million registered users, but independent organizations like BuiltWith that scrape the web have only found will only find 3 million websites. So where did these other 97 million websites go? And the problem is that do-it-yourself looks really easy on the surface, but when you get in there, there's a lot of non-technical customers, and they get stuck and frustrated. After a few hours of beating their head against the wall, they walk away with a half-done project. So here's where Lorem comes in. What we do is we have a network of on-demand web freelancers that are integrated directly within these platforms. So right here we're in Squarespace. This is one of our customers' sites. This is Lisa. She's in San Francisco. She sells fashion accessories online on her Squarespace site. Lisa is non-technical, and while what she wants is a custom site that reflects her brand and that helps her sell more online. There's certain things she wants to do, and she's not able to do them herself. So what she did is she actually installed the Lorem plugin right into Squarespace. And anytime she needs help, she can click that plugin, and in under a minute, she's talking to a pre-vetted expert web freelancer who already has access to her site and can do work on it, 30 minutes of work, an hour of work, whatever she needs. And let's see how that plays out. So anywhere in Squarespace, we're here. Anytime she can click that button, start the chat. Right now, we're pinging the network. We're trying to find a good match based on her site, who she's worked with previously. So now we found Michael. Michael is one of our experts. He's been vetted by our automated testing to only 5% of the experts get in, and then essentially she can ask Michael whatever she needs. And the idea is that so she can type to Michael. She can actually talk to Michael. We found that these non-technical customers are much better at talking and pointing than they are typing their requests. And the pointing equivalent of this is we've integrated with screen sharing technology, so Michael can actually see everything on her screen so that he can help her get the job he needs. So she might say that, I'd like to change my shopping cart. It'd be great if it popped over the products here rather than linking to another page. Michael says, sounds great. He's thinking to himself, how much is this going to cost? And sooner or later, we'll quote her an upfront price quote. What we found is that people like Lisa think about the world with price tags. They want to know, hey, I want to do this. How much is it going to cost me? And we provide them that quote up front. And they only have to pay if the work's done to their satisfaction. So Michael says, hey, that's going to take a little bit of custom JavaScript work, about 3 hours of work, and quote's $150. Lisa's like, hey, that sounds great. She says that, and Mike is off to the races. And after hopefully 3 hours, she'll get another notification that says the work's done. She can refresh the page, she'll see that the work's done, and she can move on. And that's our demo there. And so right now the company is currently in Techstars. We've had a pilot program running for about 4 months now. We've been growing week over week 13%. Which we're pretty proud of, and yeah, if anybody has a website or has friends who have a website and need help, or they wants to talk to. Thanks.
So who's Lisa end up paying?
Yep. So this 150 would. So what we do is we hold that 150 in escrow while the work's being done, and then if she's satisfied with the work, it will come into Lorem, and we will pay freelancer 75%, and we'll keep 25% for source of that job.
I don't believe what anyone else is doing that easy. Someone's always going to say, I don't want to pay people. It's not what I want.
Yeah, I mean, to date, we haven't found that to be the case. We've actually found the exact opposite, which is they're overjoyed that this list of things that they've always wanted to do on the website is done. The way we do it is, here. Yep. Essentially, like, we try to match this, you know, like, we capture the interaction, and there's some, we Lorem are the middleman, there's some mediation. We haven't had that to be a problem yet, but that is something we'll have to think about going forward.
So, assuming I create my website, and then it goes from 0 to 1 million users in, let's say, 1 minute or 1 second, how scalable are you?
So, say it one more time.
So, assuming my website goes from 0 to 1 million users in 1 second,
Yeah.
how scalable are you?
Yeah, so we only work on the back end side of your website. So your website can be as popular as not as popular as you want. We just help you get the changes you want on your website so that those million people or that one person can see what you've done or what we've done.
So if I've created my own website, you can do edits to that, or do I have to create the website through you guys specifically, and then you can create
Yeah,
it?
so we plug into Squarespace and WordPress and all these other platforms. So if you build your website in these platforms, then we can get access to those platforms. Not yet, but soon. Yep.
So sometimes WordPress configurations, I mean, there's so many possible options. Yeah, aren't there times when it's gonna be very hard for a freelancer to estimate if they don't have a theme or how?
Yeah, exactly. So, yep, that's a great question. So, the idea is that one, we have WordPress experts, so they're good at that at least. But the idea is that they already have access to the site, so they can quickly go check it out, figure it out, and price it. That's pretty much the way it works right now.
Would people get multiple offers or just one?
Just one. We're building a pricing engine to essentially, right now we're in this pilot program phase, and we're actually capturing all the solutions and essentially like problem to solution with price. And we're capturing all that data in order to build a pricing engine so that the next time someone else asks for the same problem, they get the same quote. That's the long-term play. Yep.
How does, you said the consumer is best communicating when they're pointing or when they're talking. How does that work into that chat?
Yep. So they can type, and then we are integrated with Twilio for voice, and then we've integrated a screen sharing technology so that the expert can see their screen. So they can point with their mouse, talk with their mouth, and type with their fingers.
Is there a phone option where people can call in instead of typing?
That's not yet, but that's they can. It's hooked up to their browser, so they can talk through the browser to it. Yeah. So like they can do voice.
Can you talk about the payment models that you're using?
Yep. Right now we use PayPal. It's just, I mean, it's integrated in when they create the first profile, when they first download the plugin, they fill out their they sign in with PayPal, and it charges them for that.
So for more complex work, can you submit a proposal or a thread, or is it something that has to fit with it?
Yeah, we're very focused on the kind of micro tasks, smaller jobs. So we'll do jobs that are $5. We'll do jobs up to $600. But it's kind of in that micro task and kind of sitting on there for the lifetime of the website. So this kind of long tail of freelance jobs. Cool. Thank you so much. Oh,
One more quick question.
one more question. Sorry.
When somebody does maybe one small freelance bit of work, like, is there recurring business? Can they like have to deal with the same developer over and over again?
Yeah, so they can, if the task is very similar, they can get paired with the same developer. If it's a different task, then we pair them with somebody else. Cool. Thank you so much.